Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to discuss the following use case with you. You submit your bill for approval in Approveit, you wait for your approval. Once the bill is approved, the bill gets automatically sent to bill.com and the payment happens there. So the only thing that you need to do for this integration to work, you need to go to the workflows, you need to go to your bill approval workflow, then you need to click settings right here, and you need to click outbound action right here. You need to select the email, and you need to specify the email that you have in bill.com. So once your bill is approved, the bill will be sent to the specified email address, right? And you can specify what data you want to be included in that email. So you can just choose the file and additional attachments. Or you can select everything to be included in that email. For me, file and additional attachments, it's enough. So what you need to do, you need to save it and save your workflow one more time. Now you're done. Now let us create the approval request and see how it works. So we go to approval request section, click new approval request, select the needed workflow, click proceed. I will upload my bill right here. Okay, the data is being processed. Okay, the data has been parsed. You can see it here. I still need to add information. Okay, I have selected everything and I just click send request. Great, my request has been created now. I should just wait for the approval. So once my request is approved, then the email will be forwarded to the specified email address. I have specified my email address and the email of bill.com. And now let us just check my inbox once the request is approved. Okay, my request has been approved and I have received my email, so I can see the link to the file and the file itself. So this is exactly the bill that has been attached and has been approved in Approveit. Now the same email you can find in your inbox in bill.com and you can process the payment there. That's how it works. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.